Our ano?
Victoria Peak.
Doon pala tayo. Bukas pala natin makikita yon. Doon pala natin makikita yon. Bukas.
Bakit bukas?
Ito nakalagay dito. Day 2. Sa itinerary.
Ano to?
Day 2.
Chicken cube.
Ano sa'yo, di?
Hello, hi.
Ano sa'yo?
Hi, thank you very much.
Hi, hello, thank you. Hey, hello, thank you. Give me change.
Ano kakainin niyo?
Ano ba meron?
Ito, chicken. Spaghetti. Fried rice with seafood. Japanese style.
你唔好教壞細路啊！呢啲唔正統嘅英文啊！
Today is March 13. We're here at Regal Hotel in Hong Kong. Mama is eating lunch. And this is Tita Ampi and Ninang sharing lunch. Nagre-reduce daw si Tita Ampi eh. Kaya share na lang daw sila doon. Pero there's enough food for everybody. Be, what did you choose? Pork or chicken? All!
Naku ah.
All ah.
You want rice?
And Daddy, I know. Daddy will eat the pork.
The chicken and the beef. So a par 4 for Mickelson at first hole, and they'll remain at 10 under. First 9, 34.
We're at room 966 and 845.
Ang kanin, spicy, no?
What are you getting, Be? Soft drink? Water?
Anywhere. He's out there.
Dali mo daw kay Daddy.
He pushed it way right.
Chicken ito, ano to?
Ano yan?
Pull back with the camera.
Wait, wala ko.
Down David, he has after it.
Wala nga yan.
We'll get back to that.
Walang coke.
Either one, that's not that hard a putt. Just got a good look at competitor phone.
Parang mineral water yan.
Pwede din.
Yung baso, di.
Ito, baso. Ay, akala ko pa wala lumigin yan.
Kain na kayo, ha? Kumain na kayo.
O, tapos ito na rin.
Mommy.
What? Ito pa pala, ah.
Mommy, ano po doon?
Testing. mo, oh.
Gusto mo? Pinagyasan ko, ikaw na lang.
Hindi, Nesty. Merong ano. Meron dyan na sugar-free na Coke, ha?
Ito?
Hindi nakalagay.
Oo, ito.
Ito kay Mommy.
Tawag na.
I don't know.
Kain na mo rin si Chinchin.
Maaga tayo bukas.
Yes.
Wake up natin 6 o'clock.
Wow!
Dahil we have to take breakfast mga 6:30. Ang sundo natin is 7:40.
Maganda sabi ko, Bridget. Maaga na. Tignan natin.
Aga. Naman po yating ko eh.
Maaga na.
Kahit kain na, naku, may dadating pa yung bisita.
Today is March 14 and we're on our way to Shenzhen. Mama Leo, Beth, and Christine on the way to Shenzhen, China. Marami daw siya shopping doon. Si Nina. Kasama namin si Lorraine. Ito yung sister niya. Ayan si Daddy. Hi, Dad. Okay. And this is our class. On our way to Shenzhen. And this is our tour guide, Brian.
WTIN Shantin Station.
This is Shanghai. This is mostly residential area.
That's why I have heard about Macau. Hopefully you can take a lot of the beautiful picture during the Sandman ride. And also if you're lucky, you also can see like Jackie Chan in the Jumbo floating restaurant. But sorry, after you come back on the boat, you have to pay for the boat people because that is their main job to operate the small boat Sandman for all of you to have a look in this area. If the boat is operated by Ryan, no need to charge, free of charge, of course, like this tour. But that is their main job, so that's why after.
These are the boats. Christine will ride the boat.
Hindi ba kagaya kagabi? Gusto na niya sumakay gabi-gabi.
Lakad ka doon, kukunan ko kayo.
Nakatalikod naman. Doon ka sa unahan.
Hindi, mamaya. We are riding the boat.
Your family, see you in the Philippines. Just get ready your passport.
So we're here. We're riding the boat. There. Hi, Christine. We are riding a boat. This is the fishing village of Aberdeen. These are the boat people, they say. They have modern boats here. This is their Jumbo restaurant. It's a floating restaurant here in Hong Kong, owned by Sablino. So when you have to go to the Jumbo restaurant, you have to ride this boat. That's the Jumbo restaurant, the floating restaurant. This is another restaurant. Actually, this is a fishing village with a lot of restaurants for seafood. These are the residential houses here in Hong Kong. And down there you see the boats. Here are the boats. Yeah, those are the fishing boats. Hi, Beth. Christine. Enjoyed your boat ride? typhoon shelter, the Aberdeen, where they can park their boats, dock their boats, and it will be safe from the typhoon. Because Hong Kong is very prone for typhoon. They even have signal number 10. Yan, ang mga bahay nila, the boat people.
Yung pinapay-pain sa isda yun.
Ito ang fishing village. Yung mga boats dito, ayan na mga bahay na nila yan.
some water or some snakes before we go. Oh, you bring already. I know, because some of you didn't bring, so that's why. Would you like to buy some water? Say Shenzhen is a man paradise. So for the ladies, take care of your husband this afternoon. Otherwise, Nike shoes, Levi's jeans, even Nokia cell phones, they are made in China already. And the main industry in Shenzhen, they are the factory, the light industry. Most of the factory workers, they are the ladies, right? So that's why I'm making them. Or the jewelry item, Rolex, some of you like to buy it. In the hotel area.
See? Moving? Still moving, isn't it? Okay. If they're not moved, give back to me and give me the new one. Okay? It should be moving. It should. It should. Hello? Who called you? Joseph Strata? No big deal.
So we're here at the train station. We're going to Shanghai. We're waiting for the train.
Papunta kami ng Chin-Chin sa mainland sa bayan ni Jet Li. Nandito kami sa bayan ni Jack Chan. Okay. Sa bayan kami ni Jack Chan. Pupunta kami sa bayan ni Jet Li.
Okay. This is the train we're waiting for on the way to
乘客請
Shanghai.
在黃格內等候車上乘客落車，然後上車。Passengers please queue inside the yellow boxes and let passengers alight first. 請先讓乘客落車，下班港羅湖車會喺4個月內較先開出。請先讓乘客落車，please let passengers alight first.
We are now boarding the train to mainland China. There. Okay. Nasa train na yung mga bata. Asan si Chin? Tsaka si Conrad.
Ayun, si Conrad. Ayun. Sa dulo pa din. Asan? Ayun.
Pareho lang yan.
Ay, si Conrad.
Ay, ito dito sila.
Ayun. Lumipat sila doon na lang.
Asan?
Wala na.
Maganda.
Eh, ito.
Dito ka, Ninang, oh. Dito ka ako dyan sa likod.
各位乘客，欢迎乘坐九广东铁列车，祝各位旅途愉快。
Saan papunta itong train?
列车已经到达终点站，请您记得带走您的随身物件，把持车厢秩序，谢谢合作。
From the train to Shenzhen.
Let's go.
This is China. Where's my baby? Okay. So we're going to the province of China, Shenzhen. This is a window of the world.
Tawagin ko na kasi hindi mo na ako makikita.
Ano yung sila ko? Ninang! Dito. 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 Wala ka.
Kasama yung ride. Parang Enchanted Kingdom.
Ay, kaso mulan.
Ha? Ay, ang daming doves! Yung doves yun!
Oh. Nice. Oh. Enchanted Kingdom, may inulan naman. Tita Ampi. Ayan, oh, may doves. Oh. Aba, may music. Oh, may music. Aba, may ano.
You get a
Daddy?
Did you get a photo from me?
No, no.
Yeah.
Ninang! Punta kayo dun, oh. Punang ko. Nina? Baka may food doon, eh. Tinuna ko na. Where are they? Year 2002.
Welcome to the world.
Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world. Just welcome to the world. Ay, may dab. Kambe, may dab.
Ako kay mami doon.
Daddy?
CR, where?
Magtanong ka na lang, may guard dyan, oh, may...
Hindi pa naintindihan kung di ako umupo eh.
Related.
Bakit? Sa loob siguro. Be, nakita mo yung pigeon? Be, ang daming pigeons doon, no? Halika, pakita ko sa'yo.
Difficult Japanese.
Good morning, Be. Today is March 15, year 2002, and I'm here with Christine in the hotel. She's taking a breakfast.
This is according to Japanese Financial Daily.
Taking a breakfast. What's your breakfast, Be?
Reports that the watchdog is expected to ask both companies
What's
to revise
that?
their plan. This could be
Noodles.
which is scheduled
And this
for
is Christine taking breakfast,
US
and this is
investment
our
company
room.
Farallon has won the bid.
Wow,
51%
big,
of bank
nice,
central
messy,
agencies
but
and the largest
cool
retail bank.
room.
Most analysts who expect the sale of BCA to raise some $450 million.
And this is the owner of the room.
Rival bidder Standard Chartered
Baby
Bank.
love.
The BBC's May Lewin spoke with PK Basu, chief economist for Southeast Asia at Credit Suisse West Boston. She asked him how the market would take to Farallon as a new owner, especially since the US firm is not a well-known name.
Yeah, I ate already half of
Farallon
it.
may not be well known in this region, but it is certainly a turnaround player. It is good at buying distressed assets and turning them around. They also have partners who will help them out.
Which one, the tea?
I think that they should do a pretty decent job.
What is the particular lure of Bank Central Asia to foreign investors? Why was it such a crown jewel in the banking sector?
BCA probably has the widest spread retail banking network in Indonesia. It was the largest private bank and has to be a crown jewel in a vast country with a large population, most of whom are very young. The prospects, the medium-term prospects for this economy are reasonably robust. And
Good morning, Don Conrad Fuentes.
Kung pag bumili ng tea, binibigyan ni Doc? O binili mo rin? Binibili rin niya? Ilang tea ang kailangan?
Dalawa. Mahal.
Yung 6 peso, saan natin papalit? Saan natin ipapalit yung 6 peso?
Yeah, yes. The model is showing the key to the room. Okay. Anong pangalan? It says, oh, don't. I'll do that for you.
Malapit naman yung...
Lumalapit yung camera. Regal Riverside Hotel, Hong Kong. Okay.
Ano ba ito? Dadalhin ba ito, Beth?
This is the key.
The candy yan, candy.
Oh!
What? What?
Hindi dadalhin. Iiwan.
The key!
Saan iiwan? Dito na lang sa
May
sulok?
lalabas. Success o no success? Mabilis eh. No?
Who's using the, gonna use the room?
Iiwan ba ito?
Ako, I brush my teeth na.
Conrad,
Ikaw, De. You have to make pupo. De.
You.
Ano?
Tawa na, dali, nakapupo ka pa doon.
Ay, I don't like daw eh.
Papakit lang mo pupuan sa labas.
Oo, baho.
Parang probinsya.
Baho-baho.
Yeah, you better use this floor now.
Halika na, late na tayo.
Teka, let's go.
Pipigilin na. Pipigilin ko eh. Di mo.
Okay.
Ako, wiwiwi muna ako.
Bilis. Let's go.
Ocean Park, Hong Kong.
Sige mo kay Papi. Baka
Ay,
mawala.
be! I'm using the camera, be.
Here. Yours.
What? Where's my ticket? Where's your ticket? Show me your ticket, be.
Mommy, here.
Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Picture. 10:45. Come back here. Okay. Now it's 10:15 something. 10:45. Come back here. We'll take the S-train and come out with the.
Asan na? Saan? Be, saan? Yee! Nice.
Toilet. Yung count here.
Halika, toilet tayo, be. Then,
Horsey, kid. Horsey.
anong pangalan nito? Mama, basahin mo nga kung sino.
Itaw
Ano ba
shopping.
pangalan mo? Wala akong kaya nakaganyan. Yan ay maharlika. Ay, hindi, soldier na.
General yan. General.
Nakagano ng kamay, hawak sandal.
O, picture sila, be, Dad. Dito, kasama ni General Electric.
Huwag na yan, pangit na.
Picture!
Oo naman. Sige.
Daddy!
Sama si General na. Eh, ano to eh? Manilin?
Hindi, may...
Ito, General Disaster. Alika, Chin, kumapit ka ng General Disaster.
Sabi niya,
Dito ka, Chin.
sabi ni Mama, nag-meeting kami dito.
Dito ka, Chin, pupunta tayo.
Hello.
The horse. The general, the soldier. Oh, game picture. It says Confucius, 51 to 47 BC. Sila Confucius. Ito mga disciples ni Confucius, and this is Confucius.
This could also be say that you have over this was in cemetery of the civil states. Confucius was being important. Old
Ito, si Kwa Yun. These are the brass artwork.
Luluto ka na dito.
Wow, nice, no? It's gold. Ano yan? Buong brass art. Oh, let's go. Ma.
Let's go.
Ma.
Ay, ito ba sasabi mo, lutoan?
Mm.
Kinuha sa'yo?
Kaldero. Ito yung washing machine nila noon, araw. Oh. Ano ba nakalagay, Titampi? Oh. Ayun, oh, ganda.
Nakuha na ako dun sa malaking Buddha.
Saan?
Ng Buddha.
Pagoda. Okay. Ninang! Ninang! Meron. There's the roller coaster.
Baby, ba't ganun? Okay na lang. Kasi
tigisa silang kanyon. Hindi ito Bataan.
Andiyan pa ba?
Ito ay
Di ba dyan tayo nag-ano, Conrad? Dyan tayo nag...
Hong Kong.
Sa Aberdeen. Doon sa kabila. Doon nga doon. Yan, river na yan.
Okay. Oh, picture kayo kay Conrad, di.
Rock climbing.
And we have the boat. That's the boat. And nice garden. Oh.
Ampi! Bilis mo! Ay, nako! Umikot pa!
Oh, picture. Teka, si Tita Ampi.
Dali pa! Alisin mo muna yung cup mo!
Turtle.
Aberdeen. Ang ganda. Ano, no?
Hey, game. Lang. Harap.
Umikot tayo. Saan?
That's Buddha. Dad! Kunan mo na ang picture. No. Kunan mo na sila. No? Sabi ko, kunan mo na. Oh, go! You're on your way to the second highest escalator in the world.
Ikaw, hindi ka na nakunan.
Oh, sige. Oh, go na, escalator. Escalator, ma. Hindi, manonood tayo ng dolphin eh, tapos doon na siya magpaiwan. Go.
Eh, pili ka na!
They say this is the second highest escalator in the world. Harap sa akin today. Yes, hindi na maabot ng camera. They're on top of the world. Christine! Yes. And at the back is the housing. And there's the roller coaster. Sakay tayo. Woo! Sakay tayo. Baka hindi ka allowed din. Sa lago.
Bababa kami doon? Ay, pupunan mo kami doon? Halika na dyan. Chill.
This is the marine land. Bear, go to the dolphin. We'll take the picture. Si Mama. Asan Mama?
Si Baby.
Ma! This is the Pacific Pier. Yan, sasakay kami dyan later. They're on top of the world also. Look. Wow. This is a new roller coaster. Last time, when I was here, this was not here yet. Where? The sea lion? You want to see the sea lion? Okay. The sea lions are sleeping. Catch! Yee!
Paano kasi Ricardo?
Entering the treasure garden. Treasure cavern. Ships. The old kind of ships that they used to build before. That's why they call it treasure boat. This is the marine, or what they call it, ocean theater. They have the musicians there, and there are the seats. And I wonder where are they? Where are they? There's Daddy, Christine.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the big group. We play Latin American music for you. Before nothing, show we hope you guys. Yes, the first number we play is on a rhythm cha-cha-cha. That is Piel Canela. Welcome to Ocean Theater.
哋首先係佢哋檢查身體，睇下佢哋係咪真係 top fit 嘅狀態啊！
我们先给动物们来一个身体检查。
Now for a checkup for these guys.
首先就做心臟檢查，然後就磅重。
首先是心脏检查，然后就量体重。接下来，海豚明星要展。
果然係最佳拍檔。
To sit back and enjoy the intimate bond between our marine mammals and their trainers.
海洋公园是全世界首间机构提供以人工受孕的方法来繁殖海豚，这不单是人类工作人员的光荣，同时也是香港人的光荣。我们衷心与你分享想出这个喜悦，更希望大家多参与海洋环保的活动。
from the top of Ocean Park. These are the condos. And down there is an amphitheater. Parking, I guess. And the lake or the river of Hong Kong. So we were here March 13th to the 16th with Mama Leos, Christine, Tita Conrad, Ninang Virgie, Tita Ampi. And we enjoyed our stay. Goodbye. Ninang! Tita Ampi, ano kinuha niyo sa inyo? Anong lunch niyo? Ako, I'll have duck. What did you get, Dad, for yourself? Ha? Duck? We're having our lunch here at the restaurant in Ocean Park. Christine is playing a exit. Wow, sunset lunch. Bye, Christine.
It seems
Hi, Dad. We're here inside the cable car.
This is the first time we rode in the cable car. Thanks for Conrad and Gigi.
Okay, welcome.
And Chin-Chin. Ang ganda, Chin.
So,
Nervyosa. Maganda tingin sa baba, nung ganda lang tumingin sa taas.
ayun, no?
Ayun ang ganda ng view. O, yan, mag-view ka ba sa likod mo.
Paano? Huwag na. Anakin, sarap, lumundag.
Uy, sa Conrad.
Ayun, ganda ng view.
Fly.
Ayan, meron kami makakasalubong.
Pwede ba
Woo!
sumakay ulit? Pabalik na naman?
Pwede. Iikot ka ulit.
Ay, naku, Diyos ko. Wag na.
Hindi, ano ka. Doon ka lang sa entrance.
Forgot to take the ride. Take the ride.
Nice view of Hong Kong.
Ang ganda. Ano? May island pa sa maliit. Ano ka kunti pa? Para makuha ni ano? Hindi ka kukunan.
Asan yung isang camera? Asan yung camera still?
Ito.
Asan?
Ay.
Walang traffic.
Walang traffic dito.
Wow, nice view. Stupido. Oh.
Malayo din pala. Ay, ganito pa lang. Ah, meron na ba sa Tagaytay dito, Conrad?
Highlands.
Hindi nilagyan na pala.
Private.
Ay, baba. Di pa.
Private yun.
Hanggang saan?
Pababa lang sa golf course.
Ah, hanggang doon lang. Di ba ang proposition doon mula sa doon sa taas, pababa ng Batangas? Hindi naman siguro na ano,
Private
very expensive siguro to. Ah, private.
Christine, enjoy ka ba?
Yeah.
Cable ride?
natutulog?
Enjoy ka ba sa tulog, babe?
Now, sabihin mo, the cable car ride. Ba, umano sa atin, umuugong pa tayo marami ah.
Hindi, sa may poste lang yun.
Kahit walang laman, hindi ba, ano? Naagdan, oh. Pababa.
Hindi, pababa sa baba ng hotel.
Dalawa lang sila, oh. Baka mahulog kayo, wala kayong balat, o dalawa kayo. Oh. Ay, sumakay siguro magkapatid, dalawa sila. No. Hindi pala dalawa, akala ko anim talaga, diba? Ayun nga, baba na nga tayo.
Ayan, pabilis na ng pabilis. Habang kami bumababa, pubilisan na.
Mauna ka na kayo. Ang ganda ng flowers niyo, wala nang leaves. Pakwate. Pakwate ba yan?
This is the view of Ocean Park.
Muntuk.
Black.
Conrad, swimming pool.
Ano din yan?
Bahay.
Ocean Park din yan.
Oo nga, ano nga, yan eh.
Swimming pool. Swimming pool.
Swimming pool ba? Parang may takip. Hindi tayo dumaan kasi sa shark, ano eh, sa shark. Tumigil ka nga, ikaw nga, lawit na dila mo eh. Hindi ka na nga makalakad eh. Kunwari lang yun. Shark aquarium ka pa
Hindi
eh.
ba alis sa San Diego, makakita ka ng shark?
O, ano yun mo, may tatak na.
Ay, hindi. Sa San Francisco lang, di ba, di? Sa Seven Flag? Di ba, Chris? Tin, nakita
Shark, ang dami-dami sa laot. Pag pumunta tayo sa Bisaya, ano pa gusto mo, babaan na sila.
And we're approaching. We're here.
Dito, sa Makdo. Okay na kami bukas.
Ocean Park.
Kami sa kanila. Si ate din, sumama, nagpala rin passport. Si ate. Bakit dalawa next time? Kami purpose ni Conrad na Gigi. Ano? Ay, ito si Casey nga una namin natin sabi ni Gigi. Parang kamukha ni Casey yun eh, Ate Corinne. Eh di si Casey nga, nakita namin si Kati. Kung magkakasama yung mga kaibigan.
The ice cream.
Ay, si Casey nga.
Daddy. Bay, you want ice cream?
Wato din kami. Oo nga. Nandito ako sa Asian Park. Yan nakakapagdaan ko ng bus namin. Hanggang bukas na lang kami.
You want ice cream, be?
Hindi pa.
Huwag masyado malapit. Layuin mo.
Kasi yung dalawang bata. Tapos na sila sa
This strawberry. Strawberry.
Wala, mga nagkita.